Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill in a shape with an image in Google Slide. So for you to be able to fill in a shape with an image, here's how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is you have to import your image from your computer. Then from there you try and navigate and look for the exact place where you kept your image you want to fill in, your shape you want to fill in with image. So I'm just going to import this particular image right here. You can see this is it, which is the Twoguysfinance. You can just simply reduce the size. So after that, then I'm going to tap on this drop down button beside the crop button. I'm going to tap on it, then I'm going to tap on shapes. Then from here I can choose type of shape for your image. So I'm just going to tap on this. You can see, and if you don't want that, you can also try and change this to another frame. I'm just going to use the circle or oval option. You can see, and that's it. If I find the video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.